Washington State Patrol is calling the outburst a disturbance, but a source who works inside the prison says that's downplaying it. What they had was a riot. Dozens of inmates sat restrained in the Monroe Correctional Complex yard after law enforcement used pepper spray, sting balls, and rubber pellets to break up the riot.
They were starting a riot over inadequate conditions that they were exposed to for this virus and lack of protection.
What prompted this? The coronavirus. 6 inmates in the prison have tested positive for COVID-19, the first prison in the state to report the virus. Deborah Hawley says her son is in for a parole violation.
It makes you feel really angry, really frustrated, and really depressed and really worried.
Those same emotions are shared by Steve Vogel. His son is also in the facility.
No, I mean, they can't get no 6 feet. I mean, they're 6 inches away from each other in there. Come on. I've been in there.
Columbia Legal Services has filed a legal brief with the Washington State Supreme Court on behalf of 5 inmates in the Monroe complex. The petition asks for the release of inmates in Washington prisons that are most at risk to the virus or who have 18 months or less remaining on their sentences.
Especially people with probation violations. I mean, come on. This is ridiculous.
They need to do something. I mean, people like my kid, whatever. I mean, put an ankle bracelet on them. Let them serve the rest of their time at home.
Holly fears the coronavirus could turn her son's probation violation into a death sentence.
And here he is sitting down in Monroe for a probation violation amid a pandemic. I'll leave the rest to the imagination of any parent who could put themselves in my place and imagine it was their child and they couldn't talk to them inside of a prison.
The Department of Corrections says no staff or inmates were injured in the riot, and they say that the 6 inmates who tested positive for the virus have been moved into isolation. In Monroe, Kayla Lafferty, King 5 News.